So now we're building our resume. The basic info stuff is really easy. The important part is to make sure that we're copying over the templates. So first, we're going to copy over a template CV table. This table allows us to do a lot of stuff within the generative AI space, LLM, large language models. So we'll have our basic info here, but we'll also repurpose this for a lot of our career experience that will build out education links and so on. So right now, all I need to do is hit File, make a copy. I'm going to rename it Taylor Ryan. And I'll put it in my drive, and I'm going to put it into the subfolder of my resume folder, which is going to be drafts and versions. And I'll make a copy. Great. Now I've done all that good stuff, so I need to add in the basic info into the first tab. And for you, this will be your info, and this is a before and after. Should be really straightforward stuff. The next thing I need to do is I need to create a CV template. So this is not the prettiest version. This is the usable version that you will get to play with and create and yeah, basically build a lot of iterations of. So for now, it's all about squeezing a bunch of stuff in. So I'm going to hit File, make a copy, rename it, drop it in the correct folder. Now I can start putting my information in. Again, this is not the final version. This is a draft version that we're going to build upon. There's lots of stuff to come. This is not by any means the right format for a final version. I just want to put that out there so everybody understands. Cool. And just as we talked about before, you're going to change the stuff. Next, we're going to build the CV to table. Lots of stuff coming.